In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 4 ways in which you can actually make money online. If you're really serious about this and you want to earn at least $100 per day, definitely this video is for you. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be sharing with you 4 ways in which you can actually earn money online. Something really important, guys, is that this is not something magical. This is not something that is going to be happening overnight, but these are 4 ways that I am implementing myself. And I have been doing them for the past years. And I can tell you guys that if you are, well, if you're really looking for ways to make money online, I mean, if you're serious and you have a commitment with yourself, definitely these are gonna work. Okay, so let me share with you with my screen because I want to make sure that we are actually gonna be on the same page. So basically, we're gonna be talking about 4 ways in which you are gonna have the opportunity to earn money online. Okay, remember, as I told you before, you're gonna have the opportunity to earn $100 per day if you're really serious and this is what you would like to do. Okay, what's going to be the very first way in which you can make money online? Well, you can go and you can promote tools. Okay, you can go ahead and you can promote tools. Every single person nowadays, they are using tools, okay, to grow their business, to improve something at home. So this is actually a great way because you're going to have the opportunity to earn recurring income. Okay, you're going to have the opportunity to earn recurring income. So that means that you're going to have the opportunity to promote this once. And as you're using your internet service right now, you are paying every single month. So people are going to be paying every single month and you're going to be getting a commission every single month. Okay, month after month after month. As long as they are using the tools, um, you're going to be earning a commission. Okay, and remember what I told you before: people need tools. Okay, people need tools. Okay, there are several tools nowadays, and these can be also apps that you can install on your phone. Okay, so people are nowadays we are used to this. Okay, we're used to this. We're used to pay a monthly recurring subscription. Um, okay, and we need this because people actually evolve. Which kind of tools can you be promoting? Okay, for example, this is based on my experience because I'm on the make money online niche. Okay, um, well, this channel is based on the make money online niche. So there are people who are going to need postings, there are people who are going to need funnel builders. There are people who are going to need autoresponders. Okay. How much are this company willing to pay you? Well, this actually depends. Okay. Because there are companies out there who are going to give you the opportunity to earn 15%, 30%, even 50 or 60% every single month. Okay. So that means that month after month after month, as long as these guys are using the tool that you promote, and it's actually really easy and really simple as long as you're using the tool that you promote. Okay. This is basically what I'm doing. I'm promoting the tools that I use for my business. Okay, that they're helping me and it's easy for me to promote them and recommend them because I'm using them. Okay. So this is also a long term strategy because this is something that is going to be growing. Okay. This is going to be like a compound effect. Okay. I want you to take that into consideration. This is going to be a compound effect. Okay. So that means that at the beginning, it's not going to sound like a lot. For example, at the time recording this video, I'm using Get Response as my one of my email marketing tools. Okay, so there is going to be someone who's going to be paying $19. Okay, and I'm going to be earning 30% of that. That doesn't sound like a lot, but because my business is actually growing, trust me, I'm not paying $19. Okay, and that's also it's also going to be growing because people are going to be switching to another plan. Okay, and you're going to have more people that are going to join the tools that you're going to be promoting. But again, this is a long-term strategy. This is recurring income. So at the end of the day, it's going to be passive income as well. And do not overthink about this because people are actually um, getting used to the tools. And as I told you, the example is really simple. Right now, you're paying for the internet. You're paying every single month. Chances are that you have some add-ons, you did some upgrades, and you're paying other things because, the company is offering you other things. Okay. So what else you can do if you really want to make money online? You can have the YouTube ads revenue. Okay. You can have or you can be part of the YouTube ads revenue or the YouTube partner program. Okay. You can have a YouTube channel and you can go ahead and start making money that way. Okay, there are several requirements. Okay, right now, if you go with the YouTube short route, there are some requirements there. If you want to go with the long form content like this video, you need to have, well, to be honest, it's way less than that, but uh, you usually need to have 1,000 followers and at least 4,000 watch hours. Okay. That doesn't count the short, it's just with the long form content. There are other ways in which you can monetize right now, but this is like the regular tool out there. Okay. If you want to learn more about how you can join the YouTube partner program, go ahead and make a research. I'm not going to give you all the information right here because this is always changing and things evolve. Okay. But what I want you to take into consideration is the fact that this is passive income. Okay. This is passive income. Why? Because YouTube, it's it's both. It's a social network because people can comment. Okay. They can be part of our community, but it's also a search engine. So the difference between them and the other platforms is that people are actively looking for the information. So that means that if you record a video, that video is not going to die. Okay. That video is not going to die. That video is going to be on YouTube. And as long as you are part of the YouTube partner program, you're going to be earning money. Okay. You can put videos. Yeah, you can put these at the beginning of the video, at the end of the video, and in the middle of the video. Okay. And you're going to be earning money that way. Okay. This is actually, it's going to help you grow your business. Why do I say this? Because depending on your business model, for example, you can get more leads. And this is actually my case. People are watching my videos, they're interested in something, and I'm guiding them, to click on my links so they can be my leads. They're going to be all my email tools. Okay. My email marketing tool. They're going to check on my funnels. And if they want, they can actually purchase a product or several products or services. Okay, so this is actually a great way in which you can actually grow your business because you're getting quality leads, people who are actively looking for this type of information. Okay, so rather than be chasing them or being interrupting them, you have the opportunity to grow your business in this way organically, but with really high quality leads. Okay. Something really important is that I consider this bonus money. Diana, what do you mean by bonus money? And how come? Because I know that there are YouTubers out there who are earning really good money. I have to be honest with you guys. Okay, if you're really serious about earning money online, what I'm gonna be talking about next, it's definitely it's definitely gonna blow your mind because this is definitely how you're gonna earn even way more money using YouTube. Okay, so this is actually bonus money. You can use it to run ads. Okay, so literally YouTube is paying you, and you can pay Google or you can pay Facebook or Instagram or any other social network to run ads. Okay, so you can grow that money as well. Okay, another great way in which you can actually earn money, it's with affiliate marketing. Okay, but this time we're gonna go with promoting memberships. Okay, you need to promote membership. Again, this is gonna be passive income. This is gonna be recurring income. This is something that is gonna be growing. Okay, and membership, it can be like if you're paying Netflix right now, Disney Channel on Disney Plus and stuff. They used to have an affiliate program. They don't have an affiliate program anymore. But people, they got the service and people who are actually getting paid. And something really important is that this membership, they need to provide value. Okay. They need to provide value to your potential customers. Okay. Nowadays, there's so many apps that people can download and they can have a free version, but they can also have a premium version and they can do different stuff. For example, if they don't have the opportunity to go and work out every single day to a regular gym because they are traveler, they're traveling all the stuff. They can get these apps. It doesn't matter where they are, they can keep actually being active and being fit and all this stuff. Okay. This is again recurring income, and this is also passive income. This is also it's also going to give you the opportunity to grow your income, and people are going to be paying them every single month. There are others who are gonna quit and all this stuff, but that's actually pretty normal. By the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently again, and I don't want you guys to miss a video. If you want to learn more about this concept, about how you can actually earn money online, check the link in my description. Okay. The fourth way that I'm going to be bringing you today in which you can actually earn money online, it's again with affiliate marketing, but this time it's going to be a little bit different. It's going to be with high ticket. Okay. What do I mean by high ticket? I mean that there are products out there that are going to be paying you $1,000, $2,000, $5,000 commission, even more. Okay. There is a mindset problem here because most people are not promoting these products because they think that they're people who are not going to make the purchase. Okay. Because they have a limited belief like, hey, who are going to be purchasing these kind of products for me? Okay. When you promote them, you are not going to promote them directly. Okay. It's not going to be a direct link, and you need to have a system in place, and you are not the one who is going to be doing the sale. Okay. The company, it's the one who is going to be doing the sale for you. You're literally going to be referring other people just as you do with any other affiliate program. Like if you recommend an Amazon product, for example, but now you're not going to be earning $1, $2, $5. Now you're going to be earning high ticket commissions. Okay. This is also going to help you be profitable. If you're running ads, especially if you're investing $100 per day, $200 per day. If you have a product, and this is not 100% high ticket, but if you have a product that is going to be paying you $200, $400, or $500, literally you just need one sale and you're going to be in profit, or you're going to be breaking even depending on how much you're investing or how much um the program or the product is actually paying you. After that, since you have a system in place, you are going to have the opportunity to earn way more money and earn way more commissions. Okay, so take this into consideration, guys. Do not have a limited belief and give yourself the opportunity to go with high ticket affiliate marketing. And I can tell you guys that this is actually game changer. Again, if you want to learn more about this, check the very first link in the description. Okay, so you're going to have all the information about how you can actually make money online, in a real way to make money online. Okay, if you enjoy this content, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.